have done all your previous homeworks in your classwork copy. Okay, so again let us start exercise 11.1, which is on 167, page number 167. Open. In today's class we will complete the remaining questions. Question number 4 we will complete. Question number 4 is a word problem. It is looking like a word problem, but it isn't. Read the question carefully. Seema completed her maths homework in 45 minutes 30 seconds. Seema completes her maths homework in 45 minutes 30 seconds. Express the time taken by her for completing her homework in seconds. Means the given time we need to express in seconds. The given time is in minutes, 45 minutes 30 seconds, and we need to convert this time into seconds. We need to express, we need to show. So you know how to do it. If you forget, then let us recall how to solve it. In classwork copy, you need to note down the question properly. I am showing it by dotted line, but you will note it down completely. Okay? Note down this question from book completely. Given time. What is given time? 45 minutes 30 seconds. It is our given time. According to question, in the second part of the question, what is written? Express the time for completing her homework in seconds. Means we need to express this time in seconds. So we know that see here the time 45 minutes 30 seconds is given. Here 30 is already in seconds, so no need to convert this part. We will convert only 45 minutes into seconds. So here minutes are given. We know that 1 minute, so we will write 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. We know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Therefore, in the next line, therefore 45 minutes 30 seconds will be equals to bracket open. Now we are converting 45 minutes into seconds. So to convert minutes into second, what we do? We multiply the number of minutes by 60. So we will multiply 45 by 60 seconds. 30 is already in seconds, so we will write it simply 30 seconds. No need to multiply 60 here. properly. Pause the video here and note it down. Take the screenshot. Okay, now let us move towards the next question, that is question number 5. The running time of a you will note down the question completely. Okay, I am showing the question by dotted line, but you will write down the complete question from book. Now let us read the question carefully. Question number 5. The running time of a documentary movie is 2 hours 45 minutes. Express the duration of the movie in minutes. Now here the given time is 2 hours 45 minutes and we need to express the given time into minutes. So what is our given time? Given time is 2 hours 45 minutes. Now observe the task. What task we need to perform? We need to convert this time into minutes. Now we will write, we know that. As here hours are given and we want to convert in minutes. So we will write, we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, two hours 45 minutes will be equal to. Now observe here, we are converting into minutes. What is our task? Our task is to convert this given time into minutes. Here 45 minutes is already in minutes, so no need to convert for 45 minutes. We will only convert the hours into minutes. And to convert hours into minute, what we do? What was the hint we used? To convert hours into minute, we multiply the number of hours by 60. So here we will convert 2 hours and 2 hours into minutes. We will multiply the 2 with 60. So bracket open, 2 multiplied by 60 minutes. Excuse me. 2 multiplied by 60 minutes, bracket close, plus 45 minutes. Now in the next step, we will solve this bracket. 2 multiply 60. When we multiply 2 with 60, result is 120 minutes plus 45 minutes. Now add 120 with 45. Add 120 with 45. When we add these two numbers, our result is 165 minutes. So 2 hours 45 minutes will be question, that is question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Read it carefully. A mason works for 8 hours 20 minutes. Convert the time spent into minutes. So, here in this question we need to convert this time into minutes the same way as we have done in question number 5. So, first of all, let us write given time. What is the given time? Given time is 8 hours 20 minutes. It is the given time. What is our task? Our task is to express this time into minutes. So we will write, we know that we want to express in minutes. So we will write for 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. Now here observe 8 hours 20 minutes. 20 is already in minutes. Number 20 is already in minutes, so no need to change it. We will only change 8 hours. And to convert hours into minute, what we do? We multiply the number with 60. If you remember the hint, what we do to convert hours? To convert hours into minutes, what we do? We multiply with 60. So we will multiply 60 with 8. Now in the next step, we will write 8 hours 20 minutes will be equals to, bracket open, 8 will get multiplied with 60 minutes plus 20 is already in minutes, so we will add the 20 minutes to it. Okay. Now in the next step, we will solve the bracket first. So, in rough work, arrange both the number column wise 60 and 8 and multiply. 8 into 0 is 0, 8 6 are 48, right? So when we multiply 8 with 60, our result is 480. 480 minutes. The product of these two numbers is 480 minutes plus 20 minutes. Do not forget to write plus 20 minutes. Okay. Now in the next step, add both these numbers. Before adding, check the units. Their units are same. This number is in minute, this number is in minute, so we can add them. But if one number is in hour and other one is in minute or second, we cannot add them. Now add both the numbers. 480 plus 20 is 500, right? 480 plus 20 gives 500 minutes. So 8 hour 20 minutes means 500 minutes. Note it down or take the screenshot of the solution. solve question number 7. Let us read. Yash takes 122 minutes to reach his office. Express the time taken in second. Now here given time is 122 minutes. Time is in minute. Given time is in minute. And what is our task? Our task is to convert minutes into seconds. So let us do it. Solution. Let me write the given time. Given time is 122 minutes. Right? Given time is 122 minutes. Now we want to change these minutes into seconds. So I am writing, we know that 1 minute, as data is given in minute, so I am writing 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Right? Now according to him, what we do, if we want to convert minutes into second, what we do? We multiply the number by 60. Therefore 122 minutes will be equal to 122 multiplied by 60 second. Now multiply both the numbers in rough one. Arrange both the number column wise and multiply them. If I multiply 0 with 122, my result will be 0, 0, 0, right? Now, I have done multiplication with ones place, so I am putting 1 0 in the ones column. Now, we will multiply 122 by the tens place, that is 6 here. We will multiply 122 by 6. So, 6 2s are 12, 2 here, 1 carry forward. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13, so 3 here, 1 carry forward. 6 1s are 6 and 1 7. Now we get two partial products, add both the partial products. Add both these partial products, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3 and 7 as it is. So after multiplication our result is 7320. Write this result here, 7320 seconds. Do not forget to write this unit, okay? So 122 minutes will be 7320 seconds. Take the screenshot of the solution. Take the screenshot of the solution. Now question number 8. Now we will solve question number 8. Question number 8, read it carefully with me and understand what it says. Students of class 5 went on an excursion for 15 days. Okay. Here the time duration given is 15 days. Find the total duration of exertion in hours. Means given time is 15 days. Now you need to convert part A, B, C. 3 parts are given. In part A you need to convert 15 days into hours. In part B you need to convert 15 days into minutes, and in part C you will convert 15 days into seconds. So let us start doing part A. Solution. Given time duration is given time duration is 15 days. Given time duration is 15 days and we want to convert these 15 days into hours. So to convert in hours, we will write, we know that 1 hour is equals to how many? Sorry, days. The data is given in days, so we will write 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Right? 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore, we want to calculate for how many days? For 15 days. Therefore, 15 days will be equals to 15 multiplied by 24 hours. Now multiply both the numbers. In rough work, I am multiplying both the numbers. Arrange 15 and 24 column wise and multiply them. 4 5s are 20, so 0 here, 2 carry forward. 4 1s are 4, plus 2 is 6. We have done multiplication with 4, so put 1 0 in 1's column. Now multiply 15 with 10's place. So 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry forward. 2 1s are 2, plus 1 is 3. Now we got both the products, add both the partial products. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 3 as it is. So when we multiply 15 by 24, we get 360 hours. So 15 days, when we convert 15 days into hours, our result is 360 hours. Note down the solution or take the screenshot. Now I am partitioning the board. I am solving the part B here. Days is equals to 360 hours, right? Now what is our task? Our task is to convert the 15 days into minutes. What is our task? Our task is to convert the 15 days into minutes. Now observe here, we want to convert into minutes, but there is no direct way to convert days into minutes. So to convert, we have the formula we have the hint for converting. We use 3 hints, right? If you remember, we have 3 hints. What hints? We can convert days into hours, we can convert hours into minutes, and we can convert minutes into seconds directly. But there is no hint to convert days into minutes directly. So first of all, we need to convert days into hours, and then those hours we can convert into minutes. What we will do here, we will convert, understand here, we will convert days into hours and then hours into minutes, and if we want, and then minutes into second. So in this question we want to convert days into minutes. So two steps we need to follow. First of all, we will convert days into hours, then we will convert hours into minutes, and we will reach at this step. Okay? So if you observe in part A, what we have done, we have converted days into hours. 15 days into hours we have already converted. So already we know 15 days means how many hours? 360 hours, right? Now we want to convert these hours into minutes. So I am writing here, we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 360 hours is equals to, what we will do, we will multiply 360 with 60. 360 multiplied with 60 minutes. Now multiply both. When we multiply both the numbers, my result is 21600 minutes. 21600 minutes. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 15 days is equals to 360 hours, which is equals to 21,600 minutes. It is our final answer. Means 15 days will be equal to 21,600 minutes. 15 days is equals to 3 in hours, 360 hours, and in minutes it will be 21,600. Note it down. Note down the part B now, or take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of part B. After note down the part A, what you will do? You will note it down. Now part C. Now part C I have noted down in this section, but how you will note down in your copy? What you will do? You will solve part A completely, then after completion of part A, you will note down part B, then after completion of part B, you will note down part C. In this manner you will note it down. Do not make the columns like this. Now part C I am solving here. In part C we need to show in seconds. So data is given in days. From days we can convert in hours. From hours we can convert in minutes. This is what we have done. And from minutes we can convert in seconds. We cannot convert directly days into seconds. These steps we need to follow. First convert into hours, then convert into minutes, then convert into seconds. We cannot directly convert days into seconds. So let us see how we can do it. Solution. Given time question is 15 days. We want to convert these 15 days into seconds, but directly we cannot convert. First of all, we convert in. So 15 days is equals to 360 hours. We know, and 360 hours is equals to 21600 minutes. Right? Means 15 days is equals to 2166 minutes. As we have done in part B, 15 days is equals to 21600 minutes. We already know this. Now we can convert minutes into seconds. I am writing, we know that with 60 seconds. After multiplication, we will get our result. So when we multiply these two numbers, my result is 1296000. So final answer will be 15 days is equals to 15 days will be equal to 12,96,000 seconds. 15 days will be equal to 12,96,000 seconds. Question is over here. Take the screenshot or note it down. Okay, so exercise 11 is over here. 11.1 is over here. In the next lecture, we will cover our coming exercises. Complete all these things in your classwork copy very systematically. Today is the last day of the year 2020. I wish you all a very happy new year, very blessed year ahead. Stay healthy, stay happy in the coming year. All the best all of you, and wish you happy new year 2021.